What's going on, Omni Buddies? I'm Mitch, and we got another unboxing for you today. Normally, I don't get unboxing or deliveries every single day. This is kind of crazy, so it's gonna calm down for a little bit after this one, I think. But we're gonna get right into it. There was a coupon discount code for a book yesterday on Amazon, so what do we do when we order Amazon? We roll the dice. And I can tell by this package that there is absolutely no protection inside of this box. So we're gonna cut this open and see if there's any disappointment or if there's a lot of luck involved in what just happened. But one great thing about Amazon is I ordered this yesterday afternoon and it's here this morning, which is crazy. I cannot understand the logistics behind how fast they can get a book to us. What I can also not understand is how they cannot throw any packaging in with the super heavy, expensive collected edition. That just boggles my mind. So let's open this guy up and see if we got lucky and it survived. And from what I'm seeing right now, it's looking like it survived. Very nice. So we got the Bone full color 1 volume edition. Hardcover. It's got the complete series of Bone in here by Jeff Smith. Very excited. What is this? Cartoon books. Yeah, so they had it's normally, I think, retail $150. Amazon normally has it at $110, and every once in a while they have a coupon code, discount code that comes out for it that you click before you add it to the cart. And that brought this down to $75 shipped. And you really can't beat that for what is widely considered a classic. And so I keep saying this, I got to move these books up to the top of my reading list, but if I keep doing that, all my new books keep moving down. So like I said, I'm gonna have to calm down. So we're gonna be moving from more unboxing videos to review videos of actually what we read, because that's really what this hobby is all about, is actually reading and enjoying these books, not just buying them and collecting them, which I know that's a great part. It's awesome to show off our collections and to look at them and just look through them and reorganize them. I enjoy doing that. But what's awesome, really great, is actually reading these books. So I'm very excited to read this. I've been wanting this for a while. Everyone I know who has it and read it absolutely loves it. So if you don't have this and you're interested in just some wonderful art, this is the colorized version. I think the original was black and white, which I'm not opposed to black and white. Obviously, I love black and white art, but I also do love color, and so it's all good whichever way. I just love having hardcover slipcases. They are my bread and butter. They are my gravy to my biscuits. Okay, so let's take a quick look in the slipcase. We'll flip it around so you can see. Full color 1 volume edition by Jeff Smith. Front and back. Open it up. Put that off to the side. All right, so there is the front cover. Similar, that's the slipcase I showed you. And then the back. And we'll open this guy up. We have the map for the end sheets. Bone. Table of contents. Book 1, Out from Boneville. And that beautiful coloring. We'll just kind of flip through it generally, not do too much. But those lines and the coloring, I really like the uniformity of the whole book, which is really nice, just the panels. I know sometimes it's nice having a full page bleed, everything's going right off the edges, but I really like how clean this looks with just the uniformity of all the panels being in the exact same spot with the titles and page numbers in there. Really nice. I guess we do have full page spreads, but still with that box around the edge. Okay, we'll just kind of scoot through it a little bit, but I haven't even stretched this, and it is already, I'll show you, developing a really nice eye hole there with the book. Really well constructed, top and bottom, and it's got that nice ribbon there too. I don't want to get too into the pages because it'll give some stuff away. And then we'll just scooch to the end and not show the last page. Really cool stuff in here. Map of the valley, which is also in the end sheets. The acknowledgements. Some appendices. 20 years with Bone. Some cool memorable, wow, I cannot say that anyways. The timeline, that's really cool. That's awesome. I love seeing stuff like that where you can really, for those of us who didn't follow it as it was coming out, you can really get a good idea of what its life has been like for Bone. And then we have the cover gallery, which it's kind of cool that they do the small thumbnails, but you know, obviously it would be awesome if it was full. But I mean, this thing's already, I mean, nearing 1,400 pages, so it would just be huge if it was all single pages per cover. But that is awesome. And then there's the final end sheet, the map again, and then there we are. So that is a closer look at Bone. So we're going to be moving from, like I said, from so many unboxing videos to more review videos and discussions. I think we got a couple, we got at least one other guy who wants to do some discussions on Blade of the Immortal. So if you are into manga and have not read Blade of the Immortal, get on that. Great book. We're going to be discussing it, talking about it probably after Volume 2 comes out, which should be, I think, in the next couple weeks, actually. So we'll get that, read it, and discuss it. So look forward to that. Anyways, take care. Stay safe. Like, subscribe, heart, share, whatever you want to do. But again, most importantly, comment, because that is what I like the most, is talking with y'all. So take care.